So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh playlist from zero to hero in SQL. So today is our day 3 and today we are going to see all about the primary key and the foreign key. Okay, so first of all we have to know that what is mean by the primary key. Okay, so basically it's like a unique ID for each record in the table. Number of no two records can have the same primary key. For example, in a table of a student, each student might have an unique student ID number. Okay, so they are telling, like example, if we talk about what is mean by the primary key, it is like there is a table in which there is an presence of the ID column in which there is an presence of the unique numbers. Okay, unique numbers means there is an absence of the duplicate numbers. Okay, there should not be an duplicate numbers. Okay, there should be an unique numbers. Okay, what is meant by the foreign key, it is like a reference linked to the primary key in the another table. It helps to connect the data between the two tables. For example, if you have a table of the students and another table for the classes, the student table might have be an foreign key and pointing to the class table show which each class is student in. Okay, we understood that what is meant by the primary key is an content in which there is a presence of the unique numbers. Okay, so if we talk about now what is meant by the foreign key. Okay, so foreign key is nothing but which connects with the primary key and it connects the and it replaces the data between these two columns. Okay, that's all about the foreign key. And in short, we talk about what is meant by the foreign key and the primary key. It is like the unique ID for a record, presence of only unique values. Here is an presence of only the unique values in the primary key. And if we talk about the foreign key, link to the another table primary key. Just I have told you about the linking here, foreign to primary, and just here is an presence of unique values as well as the duplicate also. Okay, so these were all about the primary key and the foreign key. Okay, so if you like this video guys, please like, share and subscribe our video.